So this problem I originally did wrong, but then I found out where I messed up, and now I understand it. So basically, what it is that one revolution is 8 seconds, so that means that all around 360, which is 2 pi radians, equals 8 seconds. So now we have to find the work, and the work is 2 pi over 8, which is pi over 4 radians squared. Next, to find the velocity, it is the work times the radius. So it's pi over 4, which we figured out is the w, times 5.0, which is the radius. So we have 5 over 4 times 3.14, which equals 15.7 over 4, which gives us 3.93 meters per second is that velocity. Now, if we want to find what the weight of that person is, it's going to be that normal force exerted. So it's going to be mg minus that normal force equals ma. Now we simplify and put n to one side, and we have mg minus ma equals n. So we know that mg is 670. It's that weight of the person sitting. That's already with gravity in there. And then we have minus 67 times the acceleration. And the acceleration here for a circle is v squared over r. So now we have n equals 670 minus 67 times our velocity squared. We said it's close to 4. 4 divided by 5, which equals 670 minus, I calculated this number wrong because it's not 67.16. So it's 670 minus this full thing. And the answer gives us 461.6, which is pretty close to 460, which is what the answer is.